Help keep contaminants out of fuel system or fuel tank. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicleâ Euro S original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form and function. GM genuine parts fuel pump tank seals are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. These seals help keep contaminants out of your vehicle's fuel system or fuel tank. GM genuine parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM genuine parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment (OE). Top reviews from the United States. This O-ring is the best O-ring I've ever bought. The material is exquisite, the design sublime. It's a must-have for any discerning O-ring enthusiast.